Bortles going to keep it himself, and he's got some room to run. Bortles into Jets territory. Oh, and he lowers his shoulder on Justin Burris.
That's old number 44.
Newton has it up the middle. Oh, touchdown!
Oh, Fitzpatrick, he's going to run out of it as a flag flies, and he is bouncing off the tackler to get down to the 40. It's enough for a first down. Darian Stewart was
Tackle, touchdown. So he can't drive the route.
Look at Walker running people over. P.J. Walker put the shoulder pads down and took it right to Donatello Brown.
And look at his own.
Gardner now at running back. Stanley with the carry. Popped, but he may have won that one.
Harden delivered a hit, took a hit from Briggs.
The man who can do just about everything, including this, Taysom Hill, for a gain of about 18 yards. And Drew Brees loves it. Teams, you name it, he does it.
So they come
to the 10, stiff on, 5. Knocked out of bounds.
Tucker with a long snap count. He's going to call his own number. Puts it in the left hand. He's got big running room. He's into the secondary. He buries his head, and he dominates Holder and falls forward.
Garrett Blunt is in the ball game, but it's Jeremiah Masoli, physical keeper by the corner.
129 yards rushing the football. Steve McNair on the keeper. You want to watch an athletic play? Look at this by the big fella. 15 yards, it's 14-12. They go.
Why not?
No.
Touchdown.
On the run, you'll keep it, tuck it. Oh, what a collision with Owens. And Owens got the...
Looking for the first down. He gets it. Still running. James Franklin spinning on his feet. Touchdown, Tigers.
Cutler looks. He comes pressure, starts to run with it. Flag comes down, and Cutler fights his way into the end zone. I think they're going to get a hold again.
Takes off and muscles down for another first. Scrambled. Oh, wow. That's how reputation.
Got a throw, looking around, maybe run, and can't wrap him up. He's still going, fighting forward, and he's close to a first down.
An end zone. Now going to keep the football. Look at him power his way inside the 5, and then.
This is an area of Cam Newton that you don't see the other quarterbacks do. That's what makes him great.
He will run with it. Got a block in front, got a first down, and then he puts his head down and takes another.
Here's the keeper left side, Newton.
Oh!